Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It is door number 8 time. We are in the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar as we have been doing for the last 7 days. We are counting down to Christmas and here is door number 8. Ooh. And Andrea is back again because she got kind of a little bit ripped off yesterday. She's stamping her way through here. Oh, she's lost her pants. Pull yourself together, girl. I can't get her out. She's entirely stuck. Oh my goodness. And that's why you don't just stamp into strange places. Right, now she's back together again. This one you can do, Andrea. This one is a candy cane, a buildable candy cane to decorate our Christmas tree. This is so cute. All right, let's take it off to the building table. Let's get all these pieces out of the packet. And let's see. Oh, they're going to roll away. They're all rolly pieces. So let's try and contain them, and let's go red and then white because we need to alternate the colors, and I need my connectors. Stop rolling away. And red again. I'm getting all bamboozled because the pieces keep getting away from me. And white one, and then we need the curvy bits over the side. I think we need to head up a bit here. So the curve of the candy cane is created very cleverly with these Technic pieces. Look at that! Candy cane achieved! Oh, look, Andrea, you can, no, stop licking that. It's not real. You can go and hang that on the Christmas tree. There's a lovely spot. Oh, that looks fantastic. Thank you, Andrea. Wow, all right, so we are zooming through now. We've just done door number 8. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place for door number 9. See you then.